March 18, 2026. Once again in the range today, but we have a lot of news. FOMC. I think we have something about oil reports on 10:30. But yes, it's a very news heavy day today. This candle, not what I like to see, but we are above a key line. Okay, we're interacting with kind of a low of day yesterday. Okay, but we are stuck in between two spots, so we're just gonna be watching. Bitcoin fell below the key level. I think we just got news, guys, about right here. Citi thinks that the price of crude oil will be $110 to $120 dollars per barrel in the upcoming days, so that drove prices lower. Okay, so let me see what USO is doing. How are oh man, UCL or MCL? Yeah, let's see how the futures are doing. Oh man, UCO 2x leverage. Well, it's going up. It's going up. Man, we are doing nothing in the first 5 minutes. Wow. That candle really blows. That candle blows. And almost no volume, so that's really bad. This could be a slow grind higher, or we could just dip. I'm open to either. Yeah, but if today's a no entry day again, we won't take anything. We're trading our three systems. Okay, so we kind of filled this candle successfully, so we can go either direction. notable, guys, is we didn't sweep any significant levels, but it might be probable is that we are going to retest high of day. And if we do retest high of day, our 9 EMA and VWAP will be like some lagging indicators, and we can enter fashionably short. Shout out to SMB Capital. Definitely no breakout entries for today. We're definitely in between the range, so fashionably short or a reversal candle. So either this is slow enough where it tags high of day and fully reverses again, or it reverses so that we can catch a nice risk reward, or it passes the 9 EMA, passes VWAP with the 9 EMA, and we take that. Okay, let's see what we got so far. Alright, those kind of make sense. Kinda makes sense. Let's keep it in the corner. This could also be a VWAP touch and rejection, but I wouldn't count on it. Let's just see what it does. My personal opinion in the range of market, the VWAP touch and rejection is way too simplistic. I think it's good for scalping. It definitely does make a move for scalping, but you're looking for a 2R, 3R extended move in a range market, you might not get it. In a momentum market, you'll definitely get it. And I think that's where it's very popular, or it just makes a lot of sense. And of course, it's super easy. There's a line, and if it touches, you just straight it. I definitely think it's plays a little bit more into the scalping territory, which is okay. It's gonna just slow grind up. That's okay. I'm okay with that. We do have VWAP. Is that respective of both spots? It is. Great. Session VWAP. That is the weakest candle I've ever seen. Oh man, this is a classic chop. Last year, I think 1.5 years ago, I used to track the MNQ moves, kind of 100 points, 200 points, but it was definitely a momentum market, so I should get back into tracking it. But the overall trend so far from pre-market is short. Because we are below Asia Open. So and we're below VWAP. This first 5-minute volume wasn't agreeing with me, so no breakout potential today. So we're down to our two systems: reversals or fashionably late. Preferably, how I know it's going to be a reversal, if it sweeps a key level and then that's a true reversal. So right now this just gives us information. I wouldn't say this is technically it is a reversal, but not as strong of a signal. I would say this is average. Like for example, you could say this one was a confirmation of a reversal. So where here does it reverse, it just kind of slowly dies, right? Slowly dies, and this is like your entry candle. So I'd say it's a 2-bar basically. Yeah. So we can trade 2-bar scalps, or we can trade fashionably late. So yeah, the 2-bar is in the table, fashionably late, or reversals. What an indecision candle. All right, well we'll keep waiting. This is so far the weakest bar I've ever seen, with no direction. Yeah, we're in scalping territory if we do take a 2-bar. Oh man, trend is up. This is a little bit of an indecision candle. Okay, if this strongly closes above, maybe even past VWAP, we can look for a pullback entry. But let's see. What a weak candle so far.
Not always, but it can.
Okay. Here's my drawing tools. Okay, line. Can I change the color? How will I do this?
Ooh, tired today. This coffee is kicking. I was late this morning on a long night.
Hopefully I don't
So
leak anything.
if I don't sleep as well as I like, or if I have stuff going on, what does that mean for my risk? What does that mean
Down.
for what you guys should do for your risk when you guys have days like that? What if I taught you?
Down. Anything? Nope.
You put on less risk, you downsize. That is correct. The market's not going anywhere, but if you're trading and you're not at your full A plus potential, you don't want to have full risk. I'm not saying you can't trade. You just want to be mindful of the risk you put on. I can tell you guys from experience, some of my worst days have came from when I was tired or I had shit going on, my mind was somewhere else, and then you blow yourself up and you have a really big loss, or you mess up your fundeds or something, and you just are like, dude, why did I trade? I'm sure some of y'all can relate to that. It's the worst.
No breakout potential yet. If anything, I'd like to fade the breakout potential on these type of days. Wait for the next reversal signs. So far, this price action really sucks. Would I be mad if I did not take
Much worse, yep.
did not take a let's say this does give me an entry for longs, would I be mad if I didn't take it? No, not really. Downtrending market under VWAP, first 5 minutes, and not convincing me for the longs. Actually, I'm actually there's enough reasons to skip it and then go for my fashionably late, or go for the reversals, or even 2 bar setup for the shorts. So if this does give me an entry for the longs,
No trades yet for me.
oh man, hammer, inverse hammer. This looks like it wants to fade. Not so.
Personally, nothing for me.
I'm open to being convinced otherwise, but this looks like it wants to fade. From the 5 minute, 1 minute I can kind of fine tune my stops, but on the 5 minute does not look that great. Let's see how our market context is. Flat, Nvidia, Apple. Okay, Apple is showing an incy bincy tight trend, but overall flat. SPY, the flattest. The flattest.
I'd like to find a solid entry off this 15-minute chart.
Coin is down. How about, okay, USO is up. We're just flat. Can we trade this? A bounce on low of day? We could. We're technically.
It's just not how I like to trade personally. It's not my favorite.
So far, our range is really tight. Okay. Kind of tagged it. Let's say we have another bearish 5 minute candle, but the volume sucks. Oh man, range. And we have 2 disagreeing. Yeah, even though 9 EMA is turning sideways. What a range.
We are going to make it happen today. Let's see if we can get a confirmation candle. How much money you have doesn't directly correlate with how much your profit you make. You can have 100K and you can turn that into a million. You can also turn it into zero.
This candle sucks.
For sure. I
No
don't
key
usually take
level.
trades between 12 or 2 and 2:30 when JPOW speaks. I have. I don't even really take trades when he speaks either. I can, but it's
Good
just really high
morning.
risk.
Negative 2%. That is funny.
What I love on FOMC days or FOMC weeks is I like the 2 days after the Thursday and Friday.
We are ever so slightly setting up for a fashionably late.
He clearly doesn't trade at all. Yeah, we're 25 minutes and there's no trade, so I don't trade at all. You're right. I'm too tired to get the mask out, but just imagine the mask on. If you know, you know. And FOMC can be a little choppy. The big move happened pre-market. Literally money bags move. Yeah, even if I was 100% ready and focused and didn't have things going on, I still probably would have lightly trade today. Is looking a little bearish too.
15 minute.
Higher volume on it.
15 minute. You say let's check. Okay. I mean, it was already bearish starting from
This is your reminder to choose DO.
this candle.
Come on.
It's already bearish from 50.
Anyone can trade and make money. It's the very few that can make money and keep that money. And that's where discipline comes in. That's where your ability to stay patient comes in. You are a day trader. You're not a trade every day trader. You're not a take every trade trader. You're not a force every trade trader.
Okay, EMA is still flat, but we have potential for a
Do I ever take a trade? No. Just never.
Chop City to Chop City. Don't force anything right now, Angel. Don't force anything. It's very tempting to be early for the fashionably late, but it's called fashionably late because you're waiting for the cross.
What is this 5 minute so far? This is disgusting.
What the feel?
It's been a while since we got one of those.
Let's review the volume, and it sucks. Still chopping. I'm okay with no trades today. I'm also okay with no trades today. Definitely not in the breakout territory. Fashionably late, or a reversal, or a 2-bar scalp. Above. What the few? What the few? What the few? So sort of missed that. What the few? Okay, so we're looking for a depending on how this candle closes, a reversal. Oh, we have a second thing. South African retail sales growth rebounds in January, 9/22. Huh, come I didn't see that. Rebounds in January. We're in March. This, what kind of a candle is that? I don't have to trade if you're not giving me something. Yeah. Scalpable, yes, but not in my systems. I will not be partaking. That's another chop candle on the 5 minutes. We wait again. And still within the 15-minute range. We wait again. nothing.
Maybe if we break out of this range.
I wouldn't count on it.
Let's see if this does.
No trade so far.
Put the budget down. Buy one membership, get one budget free. You're still gonna take the trade too, though. I've taken off 170 already. Honestly, there's probably some other thing to fix. Nothing on this 50-minute, nothing on this 5-minute. The only possibility I have up here, so we drew out earlier, was this 50% retracement mixed with what you bought for rejection up here. It's possible. It's possible that gives us trade. Although this 50-minute chart showing us nothing right now. We'll go back to 5 minutes. Some radical sniper out there taking other trades. 5 points, guys. Huge trade.
5 points. That's funny. And nothing again in the range. In the range. Not gonna FOMO into it. At the rate this is going, guys. Yeah, 9 EMA is now flat. Both on 5-minute and the 1-minute. At the rate this is going, looks like we won't be trading this morning at this rate. Our 5 minutes are doing just nothing at all.
Oh, I have energy now.
Nothing.
Look at it. Look at this chart. Trade no direction. My goodness, guys. Yeah, this 5 minutes one. This 5-minute is awful, guys. Maybe this gives us something though. We'll see. Watching paint dry is not even fun.
Next.
Sinking. What's the most important thing you've learned from the round week you've had?
Oh, ooh, that hurts. And back again, another candle. Wow.
You just gotta keep
Wow.
You
Amazing.
can't allow yourself to go on tilt or be in the mindset that you have to make it back. I could have had 2, 3, 4 red weeks in a row and still survive.
Yep, that's kind of the mentality.
Would have taken a lot more effort
some. We have news. Okay, when did this turn to 3? Okay, wave sanctions on deals involving Venezuela's PDVSA. Okay, 10:07. Finally, okay. 10:13, 45 minutes. But I'm interested in a reversal setup. Interested in a reversal setup. But nothing says this can't continue lower, so we'll be patient. It did chop below VWAP as well, so all things are pointing for a downtrend still. Okay. Okay. Let's delete. Let's remove this line. Oh, that's how you. I cannot see it. Let's make it green, I guess. Alright. Finally. Pre-market low is right here though, so this looks like a reversal setup, but we'll wait. Let's it sweep and observe. So here we have a lot of descending volume and right back into the range we go. No opportunities. Nine 30. Okay, I think you're looking for a 2 bar. Okay, 2 bar scalp. Okay, with a scalp. Go lighter size as well. 940, 61.8. The Nastakita. Should still keep going up. I don't know why not. Wow, faded. Nope, can't FOMO from this. I'm gonna wait. If it does make a move, this trade's no longer valid. If it sweeps here, 40 points. Yeah, exactly 101. Yeah, take profits right there. Okay, fashionably late. Nope. Nope. Reversals or the 2 bar scalp is now in play for me. Yeah, we're waiting. Shout out to Jay Dunn about reminding me for that. It's a 2 bar. But like you said, this gets chopped right back up to the high. The high. And, well, you're Your system says it.
Look for longs until we build above, basically build above 25,000.
Basically, yep, that's high of day. That was close to VWAP, so kind of break of structure too. You gotta really build above 25,030.
Well, that's kind of a slippery slope, as it says. But you could say, oh, well, what's 4 points? What's 7 points? Well, then
Mm-hmm.
you add early to your resistance when you already have 40 or 50 points of risk, which is, I like to stick to my plan as much as I can. In hindsight, it's not really a lot, but it adds up over time. Lose an extra 4 points on one trade is not a big deal. How about on 100? That's 400 points. You gotta think of the long term too. In the short term, it doesn't really matter, but yeah, again, it's in the short term, it's very minuscule, but in the long term, it can add up.
Inverse hammer. Right underneath.
It's still
Oh,
not showing some look. I don't like the move to take them right now, but I do like it. Hey, Dino, the J don't like indicators on fire. The J don't like indicators on fire. Take that as you wish. What is this? Matt Nikita, you need to start cooperating. So they're cooperating right now.
not a signal yet.
Not being very nice. Oh, yeah, let's go. User 380. Yesterday was my first time tuned into a stream. My first time in front of the camera.
Okay, let's see if we can get a reverse, a big doji sweep, a low of day, and then a pullback.
A growing community every day as well. Jade on
Yeah,
trades.
we have
Keep
a
it
low of
listening.
day right here at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. 5-minute candle.
JD on trades. Yup. We're on live every day at the same time.
this kind of junction. If we sweep low of day, I'm interested in reversal. Fashionably late is winding down so that we are not taking it. So if there's no reversal, no trade today. The 2 bar has will not happen as of right now, since we're gonna hit TP target. I'm okay with that. Ooh. See. About 10 points for me. Okay, we swept low of day. Let's see if we can get a big doji candle back to the upside. Big doji candle. Come on, you can do this. Alright, let's look for a bounce reversal. We could. Let's see how the 5-minute forms. Alright, now I'm definitely paying attention. There's no way I would have taken this trade, guys, especially in a range market. We needed the pullback, so this trade is done for me. Let me just remove the lines. Okay, perfect. Okay, sweep. Get all of the orders out. Perfect. Okay, this closes strong. Oh, yes. Yes. Come back up. Big doji. Big doji reversal. Come on. You can do this. It's 861. Yeah, massive doji. Big tail. Big tail. Yep. This would have been 2R if we had the right. I wouldn't say I missed this. This pullback's too shallow. Let's see. Yeah, I would say so. But I'd like to see a big doji, so it's either going to be a scalp or something. I'm okay with a continuation. We can have a low of day of yesterday's price action. I got 10 points for me for the 61.8 entry. Oh shoot. Let's see. Don't be confusing. Actually, be more confusing. Yeah, close up all the way up here. Yeah, all the way up here. And we'll look for 50% retracement. Back to the upside. Retest. Okay, range is set. Yeah, looks very strong for retest up. Let's just see, 64, 40 points. Two bar is set.
We're watching 860 area, ideally. Shorts.
For this type of move, 50% retracement is not enough because it's not super aggressive. It's decent.
Pre-market low retest. Looking for continuation on its FOMC day, so I wouldn't be extremely surprised if we went and chopped again, but I am going to test that pre-market low retest. Get up there. Come on. Absolutely buyers.
Toba. Toba.
Absolutely buyers. Close. Alright guys, I'm trying a small piece of shorts up here on pre-market low. 860.
With the feel.
With stops at 97.
With the feel. Toba.
Only spot that I like, so keeping my 97, my risk to a minimum today. Half size risk.
Did I take that entry? 1033.
Come on. 20 points here, everybody. You know what? It's FOMC day. I'm trimming down here. I'm trimming below 40. I'm being safe today. You can hold if you like the full position. It's up
go for a base hit then, 1-1, or okay. If I don't leak anything, so we'll take it like so. Boom. Copy. Miss trade. $10.40. 800. Come on. Right where the start of this candle is. 200 more point. Downwards. uh, 34. Yeah, 1.5 R exactly is this current setup that I'm at. All right, that's good. We'll hold it. We'll hold the line. Give it some room. Unless we have some kind of volume like that, a strong close, and it's above where we have here, we'll take it off whenever. Oof. This will probably be our only trade, guys.
Hey, where's that house guy that said I don't take trades? I'll have chat. Now it's not going to be a big enough trade. Oh, it's not. It's still 100 points. I give up. No, we don't ban the haters. We just mute them. So they have to keep watching. They can either leave or keep watching. We don't ban them. Let's go. All right, everybody. Well, we'll take it. Base hit to start the day. Maybe you guys make some money on that with me? Even a base hit?
I will say, watching this trade, I'm so tempted to take a partial. So tempted. Every fiber of my being wants to take a partial. But we won't unless the 5 minute disagrees. But right now, yeah, there we go. There we go. Come on, a little lower. A little lower. After we take TP from here, guys, I'll be done for the day. Gotta do my afternoon jobs. So, come on, let's go. Man, shout out to the parodies, or maybe it's not a parody, on IG, YouTube, where the guys are blowing the chart for a price action to go up or down. That's so funny.
Appreciate seeing y'all post your gains as well.
Come on, flush, flush, yeah, flush. Flush. You got me doing it too. Flusherino, pepperino.
Stops at a minimum of break even, everybody.
Flush, flush. Flush.
Given 35 points so far. Base hit type of day, but we'll take it. Glad I could find this one winner, though it wasn't huge. We'll take what we got. We almost had a really big winner if you would have gotten 4 points higher up here. How did I pick my entry on? One of the easiest strategies you can do, guys, if you have a strong trend either way, wait for the retest of that pre-market low or vice versa pre-market high. And oftentimes you'll see us retest this area, keep stops ideally above trend setting candle high, or sometimes you'll have to manipulate that a little bit, but ideally stops above this high, and maybe we're riding this down until I get a little bit. We might get it here, but I think about it all day.
Yeah, let's go. Come on, a little lower. A little lower.
Still have a chance. If we go back above 864, 860 area, this would no longer be valid, but ideally you want to see this consolidate a little and then push down, but it's a home day, so you just don't know. Good OPEC swing. I'll take it. I'm happy with what we got for today. That was up at 50% to 60.618% retracement.
Yes, great.
Stops are still the same. I'd like to see us go below a day. I'm gonna use the restroom quick. Gene is preoccupied right now, so I'll be right back. Be right back. Don't let me crazy without me. Oh, I swear. Oh, she's out of order. No, we'll wait. He's not gonna my pressure rating at 10. No way it will.
Okay, small break even if it does shoot up for some reason. So we're dynamically allocating. Should not break this structure. Should either chop sideways, come back down. Alright guys, yep, I'll be right back as well. Yes, yes. Did not see what happened, but yes, great. Here we go. Come on, come on. You can touch it. Flush. What the heck?
This would go down. Look at this price action. Look at this financial. And the 15 to the 15 too.
Guys, I will set this to break even. There's no way that shouldn't have went down lower than it should, so we'll have it at break even. This should not be a losing trade.
Come on. We want 810.
We do want 810. I want 810 as well. Come on, down. Down. I just, oh man.
I catch you, but a decent winning trade. That's not free to win. Is being called old.
Come on, lower. Flush down.
Why they come out for the bathroom? I know. It's not whenever I leave. It's whenever I leave.
good. Back down we go. Yes, good, good, good. Come on. Come on. 1.5 R base hit. Come on. Oh, come on. What? So far we have agreements that this should be going lower, so we're not going to take anything off, but we do have our stops at break even. Literally. Check market conditions, yep, on the downtrend, and the SPY, yep. So I'm okay with this. It looks like we have a lot of weakness. How's USO doing? Perfect. Okay, yeah. Down. Down, down, down. How many hammers do we need? Or inverse hammers? Nothing. Oh, man. You gotta leave again. You gotta leave again, Jaden. Let's say it closes under here with this full body, and that's a sign that I will be leaving. But as long as we don't get something like that going on, yeah, let's see. So the next, this will be very telling. 12,000, 14, 14, 14, 12. Oh. I don't like that. Actually, don't like that at all, but it's not a reason just yet. Oh man. Rock and roll. Uh-oh. Alright, so we're going to be break even for today, which is okay with me. I just followed my system. Followed his system. Okay, yeah, break even. No. Come on, downdrift lower. It's not going to cooperate. That sucks. That sucks. okay. That's okay. That's okay, guys. Break even. Alright, done. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Only had 1 hour today, but typically this should have been a 1.5 hour trade. I'm okay with that. And we'll be done. Let me close this.